Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make coffee yogurt. Heat 2 cups milk to 110 degrees F. Dissolve 2 tablespoons instant coffee and 3 tablespoons sugar. Then cool to starter temperature and whisk in 3 tablespoons plain yogurt as a culture starter. Pour into jars and incubate undisturbed for 6 to 12 hours until thick and tangy. Then chill for at least 4 hours before serving for best texture and flavor. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is perfect for staying hydrated while you bake, fits in most cup holders, and prevents spills when juggling trays. Check the description for the product link and other deals to grab one for your kitchen. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Melt your choice of chocolate gently and test a small piece to ensure smoothness. Dip chilled truffles one at a time, lifting with a fork and tapping to remove excess chocolate for a clean finish. Add toppings quickly while the coating is wet, then let truffles set completely at room temperature or briefly in the fridge before serving or storing in an airtight container.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.